Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I have used this very YETI tumbler for over 2 years. I drink a lot of water and this guy goes everywhere with me. This was actually a gift from my brother and boy has it been the perfect gift. It is built to last. It performs great. It has become my best friend and companion. Now mine is a 20-ounce mint green. I love it. The finish looks great. It's made of a durable stainless steel. I can't tell you how many times I have dropped this poor little guy and it still looks great, undamaged. I love the way it feels. It doesn't ever sweat with condensation. I love that it fits in all the cup holders, especially in my car. This keeps my water cold because it's made with a double wall vacuum insulation, so cold stays cold. And if you want hot drinks in here, it stays hot. It is made They made the best lid for this. So the lid seals really good, but it has a magnetic top slider, so you can take it off for easy cleaning, but it seals so great. So once you put it on there, seal it, it doesn't leak. Look at that. It's awesome. I can drop it in my car, drop it everywhere. It doesn't leak. I place the cup in the dishwasher if I want to, the lid as well. If you are searching for the ultimate insulated tumbler for hot or cold drinks, this YETI Rambler really delivers. I love mine.